Alright, welcome back to Aegis Armors. I'm Sean, and today we're looking at this 2017 white Chevy Corvette. It came in with minor scratches and mars in the paint. Nothing too bad, but we went over it with a single stage paint correction, and as you can see now, gloss is really there and in your face. Yeah, on top of this paint, we have our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic coating. Really brings out the depth of this paint. Even though it is white, it still reflects that light super well. It makes it shine really good. As well as this car is going to be super easy to wash now. We did not do any wheels or glass on this one. The customer just wanted the paint done, so that's what we did. We do have our Black Widow tire shine on this, as you can see. And that can actually be applied both ways. Right now it's applied in the glossy form.
Alright everyone, welcome back to Aegis. I'm Clovis. So today we're going to talk about the maintenance on a ceramic coated vehicle. So what you're going to do, you're going to spray the vehicle down, knock off all the bigger dirt and debris. Then you're going to go behind it with Aegis Armors Foam Fury and a foam cannon. And you are going to spray that across the entire vehicle. The foam is going to help drag all the dirt and debris down. You're going to take a pressure washer, you're going to spray all the soap off. Then you're going to take a leaf blower and you're going to leaf blow dry the vehicle. You're going to have a no-touch, no-scratch wash, and then that's also going to be, the leaf blower is going to allow you to leave a gloss, a finish, shiny finish behind without any water spots. Also, every 3 months you are going to do a physical touch wash on this vehicle. So you can use Aegis Armors Foam Fury in a 2-bucket wash method. You can also add, my personal favorite is to put Spectrum inside with Foam Fury, just a little dash of both. And that's gonna add SiO2, some ceramic properties inside your soap. You're gonna leave a gloss finish behind and kind of boost up your ceramic while washing your vehicle. You can also use Spectrum on a non-coated vehicle too, and it helps add gloss and protection to your vehicle. Also for the maintenance, we are using Aegis Armors Renew. So this is going to be sprayed onto the panel. You're going to spread it out with a damp microfiber. So you're going to take that microfiber, you're going to run it under some water, you're going to wring it out. I mean, super lightly damp. Then you're going to spread that out onto the panel. You're going to take a second microfiber and you are going to buff that off. The third microfiber is just to make sure you got everything behind. You're going to notice it's going to be a slick finish, a glossy slick finish. Also, we have products for the do-it-yourselfers. So Aegis Armor Shield, this is a 6-month coating. And then Aegis Armor Shield Elite, this is a year coating. And also, as you can see on this vehicle, we have Aegis Armors Black Widow, and we applied it on this Corvette in the satin finish. You can also apply it a little bit heavier and have a gloss finish. This is a no sling tire gel. And with every ceramic coated vehicle, we give out a pamphlet with all the do's and don'ts on how to wash your ceramic coated vehicle. All these products are not Aegis specific. If you have a ceramic coated vehicle that came from another company, you can also use any of these ceramic sprays, soaps. Even our Foam Fury is safe on ceramic coated vehicles. that, I'm getting, yeah. I can't breathe right now.
Leaf blower.
Yeah.
No touch.
Yeah, pressure wash it off, leave the foam theory off,